With coronavirus vaccine emerging in the horizon, the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 met for the first time to deliberate on logistics, procurement and administration of the coronavirus vaccine. 3 vaccine candidates are in different stages of human clinical trials in India. The COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by University of Oxford, by Pune-based Serum Institute of India, the inactivated virus vaccine by Bharat Biotech and the DNA vaccine by Zydus Cadila. In the meeting chaired by NITI Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul with Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan as co-chair, the group deliberated on conceptualization and implementation mechanisms for creation of a digital infrastructure for inventory management and delivery mechanism of the vaccine, including tracking of vaccination process with particular focus on last-mile delivery. The committee has advised all the states not to chart separate pathways of procurement. The group also deliberated on the procurement mechanisms for COVID-19 vaccine, including both indigenous and international manufacturing, along with guiding principles for prioritization of population groups for vaccination. They discussed broad parameters guiding the selection of the COVID-19 vaccine candidates for the country and sought inputs from the Standing Technical Subcommittee of the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization. Teachers of government colleges in Manipur have been restricted from expressing their opinions against government policies and programs. An office memorandum issued by Director Kumanthem Diana Devi of University and Higher Education of Government of Manipur imposed a restriction on government college teachers writing or expressing their views on government policies and programs in the media. Staffs working in the University and Higher Education Department are also included in the restriction imposed under Section 9 of CCC-CCA Rules 1965. The memorandum observed that on several instances, some government teachers have been writing or expressing their views on the government policies and programs in the media. The memorandum informed government college teachers and other staff working under the department that due approval from the competent authorities should be taken before publishing or making statements regarding any government policies or programs in the media. It also warned that appropriate disciplinary action may be initiated against anyone as per the relevant provision of CCC-CCA Rules 1965 in case they fail to comply. In continuation of measures taken in the wake of COVID-19, Northeastern Frontier Railways has informed that all regular passenger train services of Indian Railways, including premium trains, mail and express trains, passenger train services, narrow gauge trains, etc., will remain cancelled until further advice. Accordingly, all regular passenger carrying trains originating from and coming towards Northeast Frontier Railway will also remain cancelled. A press release by Chief Public Relations Officer Subhanan Chanda stated that Shramik special trains, which started from May 1st, Rajdhani special trains, which started from May 12th, and other passenger special trains, which started on June 1st for movement of stranded and other people, will, however, continue to ply. The Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden in Guwahati saw some new additions over the past few days as the state remains under lockdown. During the lockdown period, a lion and 2 tiger cubs were born in the state zoo. Although they were born in the month of May, zoo authorities have made the news public only now. Assam State Zoo Divisional Forest Officer Tejas Mariswamy said the lion cub, a male, was born in early May and 2 tiger cubs, a male and a female, were born a week later. He said the news of the birds was not disclosed earlier as they wanted to keep a tab on their health parameters before making it public. Now all the 3 cubs are in good spirits. The lion cub has been named Simba after the character in the movie The Lion King. The tiger cubs were born to Dhanush and Kazi, said the divisional forest officer. With positive cases rising all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of northeastern states are: Arunachal tally stands at 2,430 positive, 768 active, 1,659 recovered and 3 deaths. Assam's tally has gone up to 69,000 positive, 21,626 active, 47,210 recovered and 161 deaths. Meghalaya's tally stands at 1,179 positive, 656 active, 517 recovered, and 6 deaths. Manipur's tally stands at 3,982 positive, 1,739 active, 2,231 recovered, and 12 deaths. Mizoram's tally stands at 649 positive, 319 active, 330 recovered, and no deaths so far. Nagaland's tally stands at 3,168 positive, 2,041 active, 1,113 recovered, and 7 deaths. Tripura's tally stands at 6,618 positive, 1,644 active, 4,912 recovered, and 44 deaths. Sikkim's tally stands at 930 positive, 379 active, 550 recovered, with 1 death. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 87,956 positive, 29,172 active, 58,522 who have recovered, and 234 deaths as of August 13, 2020. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest news that matters and stories that inspire.